Hello friends, in this quick video I will be explaining you how to use a toaster actually. Okay, so many people we have seen in hotels, different restaurants and all places, toaster is used actually. Even in the western countries also, daily breakfast also mainly focused on toaster actually. So I am going to explain you very quickly how to use a toaster actually. So this is a Havells toaster I am going to explain. So if you want to buy this particular thing, I will be providing the link in the video description. From there you can get in a offer price actually. Discount will be there actually. Okay. So basically the important parts you can see. There is a you can see that 1 2 3 4, these are the minutes actually, how much crispy you want. Like 1 will be less crispy, 3 will be medium crispy, 5 will be maximum crispy, and 7 will be the crispier one actually. Okay, so you can see that, and here there is a spring loaded lever is there. So after putting the bread you have to load this particular thing. Okay, so and one more important thing, there is a tray available here actually. Okay, so I will just show you how to remove it. Okay, so I'll show you how to remove it and how to clean it also. So here is a tray available, you have to pull it back and you can clean it actually. Okay, so now let's go. First we have to switch on the plug, and the next thing we have to do is we have to put the bread actually. Okay, so I am putting bread. Okay, if the size of the bread is too big, you have to cut it and put it. So once you put it, then you have to load it like this. Okay, the moment I load, there will be a blue button will be activated, and as soon as it get toasted, the bread will be pop up actually. Okay, so it's all about how crispier you want, like how much minute you are setting for this particular thing. And you can see the like, let's wait it will to pop up that particular thing. So here are, we can see some of the breads we have toasted for 3 minutes actually. It's almost very crispier. You can use with your omelette, bullseye, whatever it actually you want to eat it, you can have it. And even with milk also it will taste so good actually. Okay, and if you normally fry it through a frying pan, and it will take so a lot of time and issues, and this one is very easy. You can easily put it there, and the liver is loaded, and you have to just wait to get these things popped up actually. So it is in few seconds it will be popping up. So let's see that, just wait for that. And one more thing, the body is very good actually, finish, premium finish. And one more warning thing, don't touch this steel area because it can be very hot. Okay, and inside you can see electric coils which will be heating the particular bread. So it is very eco-friendly. Okay, cleaning is very simple. Here is a plate, you can pull it outside and you can clean it. So I will add that particular portion in this video, so you can easily watch that. Okay, we are waiting. Why the bread is not coming up? Like, I think few more seconds is back. Just few more seconds it will be coming up actually. And different ranges are available. When you purchase that, try to purchase a company which is already popular and good for safety and all those stuff. So this one, I think this is a really good option you can pursue. Okay, so it's about to pop up. Let's see what is going to come. It's about to pop up, and yeah, it's coming. So you can see that inside entirely it is become very hot actually. Yes, finally the bread is outside, and you can, for taking out, use a steel tongs or something. Otherwise it will be it can be very hot, like I can feel it. Okay, if you like this video, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to purchase this particular thing, the link is available in the description. Thank you so much. So let's see how to clean the our toaster. So in the bottom you can see a small strip, so you have to pull it out. Okay, so as you can see, once I remove that, there are like debris of the whatever toasting remainings will be there. You can clean it and you can also put it back easily actually. Okay, it's simple procedure, just pull it out and clean it, and you can push it back inside. So that will be the easiest way to clean this particular system. Okay, and that will be pretty useful also for you people.